Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start right now. Confirm your iPhone is paired and unlocked, and that both devices have sufficient charge. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Cellular. This path accesses your watch's eSIM controls. Once there, find the active cellular plan and tap the Info button to reveal removal options. You do this because removing the plan from the Watch app tells Apple's software and your carrier to release the eSIM profile, preventing billing or reactivation issues. Continue by executing the removal step. On the iPhone Watch app, tap the info icon next to the plan and choose Remove Cellular Plan. This instructs the carrier to deactivate that eSIM. If you can't access the phone, on the watch go to Settings, Cellular, then Remove Plan to achieve the same result locally. Once done, make sure to wait a minute for the carrier signal to clear. If the carrier has extra security, you may need to confirm deactivation in their app or by calling support. Finish by verifying the plan is gone. Check Cellular in the Watch app and on the watch itself. If removal fails, unpairing the watch from your iPhone will erase the watch and remove any eSIM profiles, which is useful when selling or transferring the device. Make sure both devices are updated to the latest software, then restart them and recheck. If the eSIM still shows, reset iPhone network settings or contact your carrier. This resolves most provisioning or account flag issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.